Okay, so Google has just announced a Pixel 6 series of smartphones along with a brand new in-house chip design called the Tensor chip. Want to know more about it and learn why it'll probably be the future of smartphones? Well, you came to the right place. Welcome to Techplained. Hey everyone, and today I will explain about Google's first ever in-house chip design dubbed the Tensor chip. In this video, you'll learn what is it, why they did it, and how it will lead to the future of smartphones. So let's just jump into it. Alright, let's first talk about the chip itself. The new Tensor chip is in fact their first ever SoC or system on a chip designed by Google themselves. This means that it's an in-house design chipset, similar to what other companies like Apple and Samsung has been doing for a while, with their own Apple Bionic or M1 and Exynos. And this is actually not a big surprise as the Tensor chip has been rumored for a long time, which you might know back then as Whitechapel. As for the spec itself, Google hasn't said anything about it. But if this is the Whitechapel that took Google and Samsung 5 years of making, it seems to be based on Samsung 5nm node just like their newest Exynos, with a total of 8 cores. Other than that, this will be an ARM chipset just like any mobile chipset. This of course will be the new chip powering the Pixel 6 lineup, both the 6 and 6 Pro. And yes, the Tensor chip is supposedly a high-end flagship SoC, meaning it will be up par with Snapdragon 800 series, Apple's M1, etc. So it will be a really fast ARM SoC made by Google themselves. But why did they spend all the time and money for it? Like they have been using Snapdragon chips since the first Pixel. Well, there are a couple of reasons why Google made the Tensor chip. This chip can finally allow them to take full control of the device with its new machine learning and AI doing most of the computing. They say it will improve photo and video processing with new ISP, making HDR and night sight better. Tensor also help with Google Assistant, voice recognition, audio transcription, power and heat management, and more. The chip will also work with Google's new Titan M2 security chip, which will also improve the security of the device. And since this chip is made by themselves, it will be easier for them to support and optimize. So it means that Google can give out more software updates for longer. With this new chip, you can expect Pixel devices getting updates more regularly, maybe for as long as they want, 4 to 5 years or maybe more. We might see even better performance, RAM and battery management with their tightly integrated chip, since they do now control both hardware and software. Another reason is that they don't have to strike a deal with other chip makers like Qualcomm, meaning it will save money and potentially lower the price since they now produce their own chips, which also ties in nicely that they don't have to rely on chip maker supply, which as we know since 2020 chips are hard to get, and when all companies sourcing to one chip maker, it will be hard to mass produce your own products. Alright, those reasons actually sounds great, but is it the future? Short answer, yes. As we know, all companies have been trying to make their own in-house chip design, including Apple, Huawei, Samsung, and even Amazon. And it seems like that's gonna be the future, where all the products is controlled by one chip that is made to be cohesive and easy to optimize for all type of products. Of course, this would make the production process easier and a stronger, tightly integrated ecosystem like we see with Apple. And like we talked earlier, making your own chip is actually cheaper and easier to do, which as you know, companies love to save money. So it wouldn't be surprising if more companies starting to manufacture their own chip to be put on their smartphones, laptops, and even smart appliances, as there are many benefits. So what do you think about this new Tensor chip? Do you think it will shape the world of smartphones or even mobile devices? Let me know in the comments. So that's all the notes for today. I hope this video can help you understand more about Google's new Tensor chip and why it will be probably the future of mobile devices. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Don't forget to come back next week for more knowledge about tech and subscribe so you won't miss it. Alright, I'm Haris from Techplained and peace.